I do have concerns about the music scene in Austin. But if you look at the history of Austin, all musicians, all people who have lived here for, you know, since the 60s or 50s or maybe even before then have been like, you just missed it. You just missed what happened. And I do think there is still something here, and I love my music community, so that means there's something alive, you know.